The time frame of the candle is 30 seconds, so whenever you want to take a trade, wait for a new candle. Now the first 5 seconds you have to see whether the candle is red or green. Now it is red, so I will take a trade in the down direction whenever it sees 25 seconds. Here immediately take a trade in the down direction and it's profit. Yes, it works, but you have to follow our 3 rules and you can trade. I will explain it later, but first see how I trade. Always change the currency pair after 1-2 trades. And use the same strategy. And you don't trade if the new candle is turning red and green. And always trade exact 25 seconds. Here's an example of when you shouldn't trade. This candle turns red after green candle within 5 seconds, so avoid it. And here is when to trade. If you are using this trick, then you have to follow our 3 rules. Never take a trade anywhere and always wait for the right entry, as this is the trading with the shortest expiry time, which will rush you to take another trade after you lose, but you will only trade where we tell. If you want to download this broker, then its link is in the description, or you can join with us for free signals. Check out the description. We have got the refund here. Let's take another trade. And you know we started with $50 and now it's $345. Let's see a good moment. We got a refund for the second time too, but this time we have won and it looks like let's start over again. Change the previous amount and take the trade. And here are the 3 rules which you have to follow. The first rule is, you have to trade the exact candle at 25 seconds and that candle should already be in green or red for the first 5 seconds. Do not take trade when it turns green and turns red. The second rule is, you should play with 85% 92% returns and not rush after losing trades. The third rule is, you try the demo on Pocket Option Broker for a few days to see how far it works. And how it works. Otherwise you may lose later and the account will be empty. Now the trade of the first $100 is gone and the next $100 has been won. So look. By now you must have understood how we are trading. Rest you have to plan how you can grow your account and how you can avoid losing. By the way, sometimes I also go out of emotion because it is a 5-second trade in which every trade closes close. That is, if you lose or win in a second, then, you do not have to have control of emotion. Next to this you can see that I traded like this and grew the account. And after that I stopped. You can see how I stopped, because I have already made a good profit, and so I kept changing and reducing the amount. After that if I have a loss, I will stop that until the profit is made. I will continue and keep changing the amount, but I will not increase the amount. I have booked the profit that I have made now. Now changes will come in it when I trade next time. So look.